Hi guys, today I'm doing fidget toys and I love this game and it makes me relax.
Wow.
And subscribe and like. Good. Let's play. Wow. Okay, let's see. I want to do puppets. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, I want this black one. That's cool. Christmas. Santa. There's white and there's like marine color. I don't know that color. But and yellow, blue, like light blue and dark blue. I love it. It's like a fidget toy. It is fidget. Let's see. I think I want a reindeer. That sounds so cool. Wow. Let's see. Stocking. There's white, red, what is a stripe? Green, and green, or red now. And it's so fun. And let's see. Gingerbread man. Let's see, Christmas tree. So cool. Oh, ornament. Ooh. Ornament. Wait. What is another one? This one is like white, the stocking, white, and there's a red stream, and it's green, all green, and there's red spots. That's like the other one. So maybe there's two. Now I'm doing I don't know what this is, but it's so cool. It's me. I got 20 leftovers. Okay, this is so satisfying, kind of. This is so happy right now. Okay, where we go to the next game. So cool. Whee. I don't know what this is, but it's bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. I love it. I'm gonna do it with my head. Okay, no, that's kind of weird. Okay, let's go to the next game. I'm cutting watermelon. And it's falling. Hit. Wee. Whoa, these are sand. It's sand. I'm cutting a popsicle, but sand. So pretty. The big chunk. Wee. Sushi. Sushi. I'm cutting sushi. Yummy. I love sushi. Eat. Don't worry. It's too fun. Oh no, I'll have to shred this ball. I'll have to shred it. Shred it. Oh, cup, a cup. No, there. Ooh, this is pretty plate. I want to shred it. That actually shred. No, I don't want to shred this one. It's so pretty. Okay, fine. I want to shred it. I want to get that. Okay. Oh. No. It's so pretty. What? Okay, that's pretty too. I'm gonna shred it. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do glasses. Slime. I'm doing what number am I doing?
Number 8.
Yes. You can watch. Okay. What number?
2.
Yes.
Huh? I don't know. That looked like a snake.
What number?
1.
3.
3? Seven.
No, 4. What number?
7.
4.
What? You did it again?
What number?
1.
7.
Again? Oh gosh.
What number?
8.
Yes. What number?
0.
Well, 6.
Oh.
Okay. What number?
Huh?
What number?